Now look at this. You're here looking at me. There's the hole. And I'm gonna switch this video down in the hole. Hey, can you find me? Can you see me? On your phone or on your device you can turn this video around and look on the other side or here or there. Just spin your phone around and then you can look into the hole there, and let's go down there and see what's going on. Okay. I'm going to explain what's going on in here. I found this water line down there. That's on top of the 6-inch clay pipe I need to tie in with a 6-inch clean out. And over there, where the wooden plank is, that's where I have to replace a Y to a 4-inch. 4-inch coming from there, 4-inch from there, 6-inch here. I have to cap this pipe off. It's clearly in the way. So we have to see how that works. Take a look around. Crazy.